What is going on, YouTube? Anakin here. Today we are playing Iron Snout. You're gonna see this game is so simple, and I have 12 hours into it, which is kind of sad. I bet. Goku, they have Goku in this bitch. I'll play Goku. Oh shit! Get humped by a mini wolf. What the fuck? Freak ass game. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Back up, back up. I've seen that knife too. Back up, Grandma. I'm not leaving till I be 68. Fuck out of here, Grandma. Fuck, how'd I get hit right there? Lock in. Sorry. Sorry, I'm not talking that much. I'm fucking actually dialed in. Oh my god.